Greetings, YouTube. The following is a hypothetical situation to demonstrate a point. You were never read to as a child, ever. When you entered school, you were shown a textbook on how to read, and you were taught how to read from that textbook. And for the next 13 years, kindergarten through 12th grade, you were taught how to read from a textbook. You never read anything else. You were never exposed to any prose, any poetry, any beauty when it came to the written word. You were just taught from the textbook. And you were told that someday all of this hard work that you've gone through would be useful to you. For me, that is how math was taught to me. I was taught from a textbook. I was shown what to do, I was told to do it, and never once was any of this put into context of life. But most importantly, the thing that has made math so difficult for me over the years is that I was never, ever shown the beauty of math. And math is beautiful. Math is the foundation of physics and chemistry. It is our most important tool in understanding cosmology, quantum physics, string theory, membrane theory, or M theory. Without it, we would have almost no understanding of anything. It is the key to biology and understanding fractals. It is the key to understanding how nature functions on the level of chaos theory. It's beautiful. And while I have come to appreciate it from all of these topics that I've read about, I've never understood it. And I still don't. That window may have been closed for me, I'm not sure. I read about it still, the math itself, on occasion, and I still find it fascinating. The story of mathematicians and how they've pursued the formulas and the puzzles that they have worked sometimes for decades. Mathematicians worked for hundreds of years to solve Fermat's last theorem until it was finally broken. And I appreciate it, and I am grateful that we have this understanding, but I never connected to it the way I connected to words, because I was shown from the youngest age you can remember the beauty of words, what they can do, stories and poems and tales made up for me. I was shown the context of language. I read voraciously every single day of my life since I was 5. Alright, 43 years I've read. Fiction and non-fiction and comic books and graphic novels and online content, PDFs and gaming books galore. And all of it made sense to me because there was context and the beauty had been shown to me, been revealed to me. But it was never shown to me in math. Every single math teacher I had failed in that regard. Only once did I get a glimmer of it when I learned geometry. And I loved geometry, because geometry didn't have one answer. Geometry had more than one answer, but there was one best answer. There was one perfect answer. And the pursuit of that fascinated me. I actually found a better solution in a textbook once. It was more elegant, it was simpler, and that was beautiful. And if we could teach that to children from day one, from the moment they first are shown that 2 + 2 = 4, if we could show them what that leads to, where it goes, the depths you can plumb with that simple formula, as your building block. Wow. Maybe we'd have as many people doing math as we have reading books. And wouldn't that be grand?